everybody, Dustin here from OCD. Wanted to go over just some ideas, some knowledge for you for your ceramic coating and the maintenance from it. So, automatic car washes. They're not going to void your warranty, which is very unheard of for this industry. But are you going to get a little bit more wear and tear from the brushes on the paint? Maybe wear down some depth of the coating? Yes. Still won't void your warranty. You could go to a touchless car wash. That will have stronger chemicals on it because there's no brushes or sponges or towels touching the surface. So they have to use something stronger to get the grime and the dirt off there. Then in turn could be stronger chemicals on the surface. We've seen it, strip some things. We've seen it stain some types of substrates. So hand washes are your best bet. Owner's Pride Eco Wash and the different maintenance washes we teach you is always going to be your best bet. But if you have to get your car cleaned, a couple swirlies rather than letting it sit for months at a time is always a little bit better in my opinion. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, give us a call.